Everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. US 30. Today is October 3rd, 2022. Let's jump right into it. So here we have today's candle right here. And this is the new candle that started after 6 p.m. So previous video for Friday, we said that price is going to come down and price can start coming up back into this area. We still have this daily imbalance not filled, that not filled. And then we have also the week high. I'm going to go to a week chart real quick just so you can see. So I'll put this right there. You can see that this is the high of the past week. We have a major weekly imbalance in here. So definitely price wants to come back up. And it has to at least balance this price. So we think that it's going to come and take out this high and mitigate this candle. Okay, which it didn't hit it, but it's on its way. All right, so back to the daily chart. Price came back up in here, almost hit it, got close to it, and we are stuck in this range. Let's go down to a smaller time frame here. 15-minute chart. Price opened up today here, came down. Well, that was Sunday night, technically. Came down, did a shakeout. We call this a shakeout. Price came up, shook everybody that was selling here, came down, took anybody that was buying here. All right, price came down, came up, came down, came into this imbalance, created support, broke up, took out these highs. So break a structure right here. When we have a break of structure, we're going to come back down into an order block, demand block here, pretty nicely. This was in the middle of the night though, so 5:15. And price was doing all this. Best time for you to get in here was Sunday night. I don't trade Sunday night. Middle of the night here. Price rallied up. Came up. Came back down. 9:30. You had an opportunity to get into this order block, but you had to get in there quick. This demand block right here. Price came in, touched it. You could have been a buyer. Rallied up. Price went up. Came back down, came into this demand block right here, in between here, hit it, rallied, and our goal was to hit somewhere up here. So we have that week high, and I had this line drawn because we had an imbalance here. Price was not really mitigated correctly. So as you see that clean line right there, still a balance. This never mitigated this area. It's a 15-minute imbalance. High probability area. Price came and smacked it. Didn't close above. You could have been a seller there if we end up coming down. This was an objective as far as taking profit. Maybe not an objective as far as selling, but definitely an objective from taking profit, because we still might take out this high, come up to this green line here, and get into this imbalance here on the higher time frame. Yeah, so that's pretty much where we're at right now. As far as what's going to happen tomorrow, we got news this week, so it's going to be very interesting. I mean, we got some bullish momentum here. We also had a divergence here. 1, 2, 3 drives down. If I go into a higher time frame, you'll see the divergence. Well, it's not on this time frame. Where was it? Was it on the 15-minute? Oh, it was a 4-hour. So look at this 4-hour. Drive down. Right, look at this. Every time I hit the drive, divergent. See that? See that line? And you see how they're doing the divergence going up. That's the divergence here. So we got some bullish pressure here, and we're expecting a reversal. So as far as what's coming next, I'm assuming that we're going to come take this out. We're going to maybe come back down and start coming back to any one of these high probability entry areas on the fib. Somewhere in here could come and take out this, could come in here and get into this imbalance here and take out all this money. So we're looking for move up, or if it has enough fuel after it takes out these sellers right here, it doesn't necessarily have to come up here. We can start looking for lower prices below this low. And if you recall previous objections down here. So, all right. I hope this helped. Take care. God bless.